Hello everybody, I'm Bear Skills. Welcome back to The Long Dark, and welcome back to the channel. So, we're here on day 113, moving into day 114, and we're here at the Community Center Hall at Pleasant Valley. We're at Thompson's Crossing right now. So, we stopped here for the night. We're going to be staying here for the whole night. We're going to see if there's any more loot around here we missed. We're going to break these tables down for reclaimed wood if we so chose. But we don't really need to worry about that. We have food. We don't have any water actually. Um, huh. I don't remember drinking that soda. That must be like a partially drank soda. Interesting. But yeah, I don't have any water. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to. Well, actually, I don't need to worry about making any. Probably. Is there a bathroom here with water in it? Yes, there is. Nice. We'll just take that. There's a book down there too. We'll grab that. That'll be a nice fire starter. And anything else? A towel for some cloth. We got a cabinet here we can search.
Could end up
Antibiotics? That's not bad. Not bad at all. Well, now we got something to drink. We got plenty to eat, so we might as well just spend some time here. So let's pass a few hours. Just kind of hang out. Once we're done for tonight here, in the morning we're going to loot the town and take anything we want, leave what we don't care about, and then we're going to head over towards the Pleasant Valley Barn and Farmhouse. And we should be able to make our way there this episode, definitely. Should be able to, at least. Nothing goes wrong. Yeah, we'll eat that granola bar, why not? A few things here we can eat.
I just need to close my eyes.
Where are these at? Yep, here. Eat this. It is 0%, it's ruined. But because of cooking level 5, we need it with no consequences whatsoever. Same with this energy bar that's ruined, we can eat that. Delicious. And let's drink these cans of pop, because they're pretty heavy. And if we drink these, this one doesn't have very much in it. That's okay. We can finish it off with some water. And we should be good for the night then. Still got some MREs if we need it. Let's sleep for 11 hours, see if it'll let us sleep that long. Should be about morning when we get up, and then we can head on for the rest of the town and start looting that. Alright, we're on day 114, moving into day 115 now. And we drink some more water. How's our weight doing? Weight's not too bad. We do have a lot of food on us. And a lot of gear. That's alright, we probably won't find too much that we'll take with us. Let's head over to the other buildings, see what we got to loot. Should have a decent amount of stuff through here. I'm mostly looking for ammunition, sewing kits, stuff like that. The weather's nice today. Very nice, actually. Got a nice bright sun there. Clear skies. It's quite a nice day out. Definitely nothing you can complain about on this day. That's for sure. Got that house loot. There's the gas station over there. We'll loot that last. Come through here and see if there's anything worth looting. There's a book. I don't care about that. A hat there. Not worried about it. Didn't look like we got much here to loot. It'll be too useful. Let's check this car. I'm gonna check the mailbox too. Hey, rifle cartridge. Nice. Exactly why I chucked that. You can always find a rifle cart. Well, not always, but a lot of times there's a chance you can find one, so you might as well always check. Doesn't look like we got anything in there, so let's check the front here. Doesn't look like much. But we'll look in the glove box. Hey, cardboard matches. Nice matches, ammunition, sewing kits. It's pretty much what we're looking for at this point. I know we're not going to find all of that stuff, but hey, you never know. So what do we got here in the first aid kit?
This guy
I
will
don't
come
care
in
about
handy.
that. It's too heavy. Some reclaimed wood and matches. I'll take those. Cotton toque. Like I said, not interested. Won't be taking that. And we'll check here. Plastic container. Nothing. Alright. Not going to worry about the reclaimed wood. We can get plenty of that in other places when we're not as weighed down. Check this truck, check the church, we'll head back, check that building, and then we'll go over to the gas station, and we can probably move on. There's a flare there, which is nice. Definitely take that. Flares are always useful to grab. Never really a reason to leave one behind. Always worth it. For their weight, they're, well, it's basically free I get past the wolves. You know, basically you pop one of those and you can get past wolves pretty much no matter what. So it's always nice to be able to pick that up. Got in here a bunch of books. Not really worried about them at all. Some papers. Yeah, nothing really too useful to us. That's fine though. Head down, we'll check that one building there, that little office with the flag right there in front of us. We'll head over there, check that out, and see what's going on with that. And we'll have the gas station left, and then we'll head over to the barn. So yeah, I'm really liking the weather we got going on right here. We shouldn't have to worry too much about storm and blizzards blowing in. It'll also provide really good visibility for us to move our way over to the barn and farmhouse. Hopefully, as long as it stays like this, which it looks like the kind of day that, for the most part, it's going to stay good weather. Another mailbox we can search. Nothing in there. It's fine. And the reason we're not really taking much more than sewing kits, ammunition, stuff like that, light stuff that's valuable. We'll take food here and there. The reason we're only taking that kind of stuff, I will take cooking pots if I can find them. Probably just like one or two. But we're just getting that stuff because we're already pretty heavy, and there's not a real lot we're going to need. We don't need really that much food. In fact, we could drop like pretty much all this food we have on us. It wouldn't really matter, but I'm going to take it with me just because, why not? And give me a few days, just in case things go wrong. It's always nice to have some emergency food. And the MREs I'll keep just in case, basically just for traveling. Because I could eat them no matter what, and they're pretty light for how many calories they give. And the best thing about them is they don't... No, I'll take those driving gloves. That's secured leather. The best thing about MREs is they don't smell. They give a lot of calories, and they're not too heavy. So, it comes out really good. Simple parka. Don't really care about that. We got some books down there, which I also don't care about. Candy bar, which I will take. There's more water there if we needed it, which we probably don't. Cloth, I'll take that. Yeah, we don't need water. I'll take that. Guaranteed 2 nights of water. And we'll search these drawers. Probably nothing in here we're going to want to take with us, but we might break something down. You never know. Thermal underwear. I'll take it. I'll also grab these socks because they're quite light and they give me a piece of cloth. And we head out. Exactly, search the house up. Didn't see anything else. So we'll head out. Hopefully I didn't miss anything too useful. I don't think I did. I think I got it pretty well looted. And we got the gas station. Which actually, for how heavy we are, we're going to leave the gas station. Because we're going to come back through here at some point. Because this is probably how we're going to leave and go to Coastal. Because I believe if we follow that road, it'll take you to Coastal. The mine that'll take you to Coastal. So for now, we're going to head this way. And we are moving somewhat slow, but we got plenty of stuff on us to make sure that we don't get hurt. You know, the one thing that I kind of wish was in this game, just a little quality of life feature for PC that is on consoles, is I wish that there's a way for me to, like, I don't know, double tap, like, W, and then I could just move automatically and I wouldn't have to hold it down. So far, wait, is there a thing like that? I don't think there is. Accessibility, auto walk. Pressing the button again every movement. Press the auto walk button to keep going in the correct direction. Key bindings. Auto walk. Where's that at? Z. I have auto walk this whole time and I didn't know it? Oh man, I'm an idiot. Never mind. Complaining about something that was already in the game. Oh, that's quite nice actually. I like that. Neat. That's good to know. Sounds like we got some wolves up there to our left. So probably won't have to worry about them too much. They sound like they're somewhat far away. Yeah, and I pretty much know where I'm going. So we should have too much issue getting where we want to go. The only thing we might have to worry about would be a bear hanging out by the farmhouse, which he sometimes can be there. And if he's there, honestly, it's well, as long as we're careful, it'll actually work out for us because we can take him down, and we won't have to worry about kiting him very far, drawing his aggro from a long ways away, because that can be a little annoying. It does look like it's going to start snowing, so it could get pretty bad weather, actually. Luckily, it's not too far to go to the barn. It is quite a distance, but we can pretty much, as long as we keep the road on our side, we should be okay. Once we get up here a little bit more, a little ways up here, we will probably step on the road, because the road will basically take you right up to the barn, right next to it. Not close enough to deal with in a blizzard, but definitely close enough to get you in the right area, normally. The weather's not looking too great. It's looking like it could be pretty bad. Glad I have the moose hide cloak, though. Keep me from getting too wet out here. Because the snow, I believe, does make your character wet after a bit of time out here. Which makes sense. If you're outside and it snows a bunch, you're going to get wet. Your clothing, at least, unless it's designed not to. I seen a deer up there through the trees. There's one up there. So, yeah. At least we know there shouldn't be any wolves that way. I don't think it's too far. I think it's just a little ways after this bridge. So I think we'll be able to make it there fine. What time is it? It's about not quite midday. I'd say it's probably about 11 o'clock. Roughly. Would have been nice if the weather would have stayed clear, but you can't always get what you want. And at least it's not too foggy right now. Still decent visibility. Although not the best, I will admit that. That might be the bridge we gotta go to, actually. Not sure. This is the main road, and the main road does kind of take you next to the barn. So I think as long as we stick to this road, we'll be fine. Yeah, there's the deer I was talking about. He's just over there hanging out. He's having him a nice meal there, it looks like. I don't feel like I don't have the feeling we're gonna run into any wolves though. At least till there might be some little in the field there next to the barn. Which, if that's the case, that's fine. I don't mind that. Yeah, there's the fence. The barn should be over there to our right. Yeah, this is Contemplation Bridge. Let's see if I can step on this. Yeah, barn should be over there to my right. Yep, it is. You guys can see it a little bit there. Right up there. So we're fine. Can pretty much follow the main road there. And the other bridge would have taken us there too. And there's the river that goes through, so... And there's a way we can get in there. If you don't go through here, I believe you have to go all the way over to the gate that's up there, the gateway. I believe that's the only other entrance, for a decent ways at least, into this field because of this fence. So, if you're coming from the way I did, either hit here or go up to that gateway. There's a few cars there, which is nice. I think there's 2 cars that have the trunks, I believe. So if you're ever getting chased by wolves, you can always pop in one of those and be safe for the time being. Same with it might help you from freezing to death. Maybe there's only 1 car. Yeah, it looks like there's only 1. You guys can see that's the gateway I'm talking about up there. So shouldn't have to worry about too much. I don't see any wolves either. Although I have been hearing them. So either I don't see them. That might be a wolf up there. I think I might be able to see. Yep, it is. So there is 1 wolf. Not a big deal. The weather is getting quite nasty. Could be worse. Don't get me wrong. There's 2 wolves actually. Could be worse weather. That's for sure. But would prefer better weather. Those wolves are a little closer than I'd like them to be. So probably have to take them out here in a second. We are going to check this outbuilding over here. This is one of those buildings that you can easily hunt from with the little shelving area under here. Not really sure what you'd call it necessarily. And basically this little inlet here, you just can crouch, although this one's probably not a very good one because you don't have to crouch to get in there. Most of them you do. And it is blizzarding. Of course it is. Good thing the barn's just in front of us. It is quite cold. We can't sprint because we're that much overweight. That's okay. Just a little bit farther up here, and we shouldn't have to worry about the wolves because of the blizzard, actually, so... Should be a-okay to get in here. And there's actually a tractor we can jump in, but for right now I'm just going to hop in, because it's getting kind of loud. So I'm going to hop in here where it's a bit quieter. Here we go. And we're warming up. Nice. So, what do we got in here? There's a fire barrel. That's always there. Spray paint, useless. It's always nice. Ketchup chips, though, that's quite nice. We got a work... No, not a workbench, but a table over here. Hatchet. I'll take that. Cured leather. A note from behind. We'll read that here in just a second. Anything in these drawers? Come on, something. Whetstone. Nice. It's a really nice find, actually. Nothing there. I think you can sometimes find a dead body there. Or maybe it's back behind this one. You can almost always... I think this might be a static spawn. There's almost always a thing of tools here. Part of the reason I didn't mind leaving my tools behind over there at the summit. But let's actually check this note for, left behind. As a plant goes to seed in the fall, a period of hibernation sets in until spring. As the weather warms, plant seeds into loose soil with plenty of sun. Keep moist but not wet. If the final frost has not passed, keep seedlings indoors at night, as a single shock of cold can stun, if not kill, young plants outright. Spread plantings out over several months to keep producing into the fall. Green leafy vegetables will survive the following winter indoors. Nice. Contributed by backer number 3781. It's a Nice note. No. It's over here with the body can be, I believe. Yeah, I believe right here. They're not, but there's a wolf scarf. Pick that up. It's not too bad. To be honest, with how heavy I am, I'm gonna leave a pile of food here. I have no real need of it. Let's give decent. I'll eat that tonight. What else do I got that's so heavy? Do in the pack. 3 pounds there. 10 pounds there. 60 pounds, 5 pounds. It's right here mostly. I'm carrying a bunch of weight. Which is fine, because we're going to drop some stuff here too. We're actually going to drop, I think, tools. We'll leave a hatchet. What about the knife? Nah, we won't leave that. We leave the heavy hammer. A good hacksaw. A few flares. And what else should we leave? Should be good. We're a lot better on the weight right now. Yeah, we're a lot better. So we got the blizzard. So we got the advanced guns. So we might as well do a little bit of reading. Okay. Let's do a bit of eating. We can eat a few more things. Let's eat these cans. They're quite heavy. 1.10 pounds. It's quite a lot. And we got another thing here. Salty crackers, sardines. It's all good stuff. But this is giving us some water back, which is nice. So we can use our book some more. Can you read anymore? There we go. Okay, let's pass some time. Just gotta pass a few hours that we wake up in the morning. Should be good. And it sounds like the weather cleared up a little bit, which is nice. Let's eat a thing of sardines. And let's drink some water. So we got that, and well, we can probably sleep. 11 hours. Yep, sleep, definitely. Can definitely sleep. Should wake up in about morning. Yes, okay, sweet. So we still have our bedroll. Yes, we do, 86%, which is nice. And yeah, we'll leave that stuff there because we are going to come back through here eventually.
I could eat anything right now.
And so we'll leave that stuff there because it's really only going to be useful for us in Coastal Highway and beyond. Not really any useful to us here in Pleasant Valley. Looks like we got 2 arrowheads worth right here, which is nice. How many wolves is that? That's 3? 4? Whew. A lot of wolves. A lot of wolves indeed. Interesting. Let's take the old bow here. Interesting. Yeah, it's somewhat good to know. Alright, well. Too many wolves here for me, so I'm gonna head on out. I guess we could clear them all. If we really wanted to. What's wrong with these wolves? Really? Man, there's something awfully wrong with these guys. Oh, finally. Whatever. These wolves have some serious issues. You know what? I'm actually going to do a bit of wolf clearing. And I'm going to go check out what this building has over here. And there's the birchwood forest. Which, if I'm not mistaken, there's moose that are over there. Come on, Mr. Wolf. Oh, by the way, tip using the bow, guys, on the wolves. Don't be afraid to draw early and make them run towards you. The longer they're running at you, the better you're gonna be, because they like to do a lot of turning early. So if you get them to run a lot quicker, they'll be turning a lot less when they're heading towards you, giving you a better, cleaner shot. Plus, the bow is the best weapon in the game in terms of how long you can hold it up before it starts wobbling, next to the revolver. Way better than the rifle. So, you can hold it up for quite a while, as long as you're not tired or cold. Which makes it a very effective tool. The weather is not near as nice as I'd like it to be, that is for sure. Is that a bear? Well, look at that. That's a bear. What do you know? Firewood, huh? Tinder plug. Nothing I really care about. But there are some wolves through here. It's good to know there's a bear there, though. Keep that in mind. That'll be useful for us if we need bear coat. There's a few bears that we'll take care of closer to home.
I would do anything for a drink right now.
But it is nice to know he's there. Come on, Mr. Wolf. Da-da-da-da. Aw, man. There you go. Messed up my shot there. Hit a little high. Didn't hit him in the head. Let's check our stuff. Sprain risk only. He didn't even break that. So we should be good on everything else. Just checking everything to make sure it's okay. And it seems to be. So, still good. And the only thing we gotta worry about is our sprain risk. Cool. So it's always why I carry a hatchet when I'm hunting. Because you can get them off you really easy in comparison to like the knife. I want this tractor, bear, and I will take you down if I need to. I want what's in this tractor. Alright, newsprint roll to face the bear. That was definitely worth it, man. Hi, Mr. Bear. Come on. Come on, Mr. Bear. I don't mind if he runs here. I'm just going to take him down. Let him get a little bit closer to me. I'm gonna loop him around and have him come towards me and get him lined up for the old building. I don't know. I'm not sure. I actually didn't really know there was a bear through here. I believe there's a moose, and I think I knew there was bear in there. I didn't know they came out here, and I've never really hunted this bear. So I'm curious of what I'm going to be dealing with in terms of that. Weather's getting terrible again, which is just groovy. That's what I like. Aw, man. It is what it is. Did get hit there. I knew with the blizzard rolling in we weren't going to be able to make it around, so I figured we'd take our chances with trying to drop him. Didn't really work out the way I wanted it to, I ain't gonna lie. We are going to get him down here, though. Hopefully he didn't do too much on our health. Doesn't look like he did us too bad, depending on what he did to our clothing.
Gotta stop that bleeding.
Okay. Got blood loss. Infection risk. Yeah, I don't mind pounding a few into him. Alright, well.
Can't feel my hands.
Currently we're going to be in here for the time being. Let's check out how bad our clothing did. He ruined our earmuffs, which is fine. 73%, 89, 88. Okay, so he ripped those up quite bad.
I'm weak.
So he ripped those up quite bad. Quite bad. This could be an issue for us. I don't know, but that's all the time we have for this episode, guys. So, I don't even know how we're going to get out of this one. So, hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did, make sure you like and subscribe.
Something to drink.
And definitely check in some of my other content. And, yeah, as always, you guys are awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next one.